When XFM first went stereo in 2012, the way we did it was through frequency conversion and heterodyning and all that stuff. And using a linear amplifier chain, we were able to get on the air relatively quickly with a, I guess you could say, non-standard broadcast waveform. And this is the box that I built to do it. This is the upconverter. If we take a look inside, I'm just kind of doing this because this case is going to get repurposed for something else, and I just thought it would be a good idea to kind of document what the inside of it looks like before it gets scrapped. Inside in the back you've got a power amplifier module. This is a 125 watt 12 volt PA that it's all bipolar. It came out of, and I actually bought a couple of these at a Hamfest. I guess they were built originally for like some sort of mobile HF trucking radio. I'm not real sure what that was all about, but anyway, there's a little squirrel cage blower here. There's a 300 watt 12 volt power supply. And then this little card, which is the actual frequency converter card. On the front panel you'll see there's a knob. This is like a VFO. There's a little display. I think this was a kit that we got somewhere. It generates a VFO that feeds the upconverter card. And the output of that, I think, goes in here. And there's some resistive pads to kind of isolate the mixer from the outside world. And then the frequencies are mixed. The IF comes in the front panel, I believe. Or maybe it's in the back, I can't remember. But no, it does come in the back, it looks like on this one. Anyway, so the two frequencies go in, they're mixed and filtered. And this is a doubly tuned filter using some little caps and inductors and things, and they're just kind of hot melt glued. And obviously the years have taken their toll, they've kind of come loose. After that there's, I think it looks like an MAR3 and an MAR4, something like that. And that gets us up to about 10 milliwatts PEP, which is used to drive the power amplifier in the back to full saturation. And according to this, drive 3 dBm at 4085 kilohertz will give you 120 watts PEP. And I think usually I needed about 65 watts PEP to drive the amplifier, so kind of interesting. Just a little kind of tour around the side of one of my earlier homebrew projects for the station, and it's seen its better days, that's for sure, but I think that's going to look a little different pretty soon. I think there's going to be a 300 watt transmitter in there.